Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Angelica Fitzgerald and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about a new skincare brand. Well, new to me. I don't think it's new in general, but I'm so excited to try this brand because it is a personalized, customized skincare routine just for me. So as you can tell from the title, we will be working with the brand Proven Skincare, and they are one of the world's most customizable skincare brands on the market. So before we get started and go any further, I do want to give a big thank you to Proven Skincare for sponsoring this video. I could not be more excited to try these products. I have heard nothing but great things about them. The other reviews I've looked up, just everything, like the comments on Instagram, like everyone seems to like them. So really excited to see what they curated for me. So anyways, I have the skincare products curated for me specifically by the Proven Skincare team based off of what I entered on their website for the skincare quiz. It's super easy. It takes about 3 minutes. I actually filmed myself doing it. I'm gonna insert it in like a second just to show you how simple it is. It's basically just a quiz on your skin type, what your skin needs are, what do you battle daily, what do you hope to improve, and what do you hope to gain from a skincare routine. It's really simple. It literally took me like less than 3 minutes, even though they say 3 minutes. So I'm gonna include that little snippet right here just so y'all can see how simple it is. So I wanted to show y'all, this is the skin test that you can take on provenskincare.com to get a formulated skincare package just for you. So it's really easy. I've just started mine, so it's just like skin concerns. Main skin concern, I would say mine is like acne, adult acne. So it is really easy. You just go in and answer this little quiz. It's really short. So based off of all the info I gave them, my age, my skin tone, my sensitivity, even my location, they can tell like the air quality, the sun exposure, the typical weather. They specifically formulate what I need. So there's a gram active retinol to help me fight acne, a milk thistle extract. I don't even know what that is, but it's where water is really hard. I'm a frequent traveler. There's this plant-based product. Like I actually don't know what a lot of this stuff is, but this is all specifically formulated for me. So I'm really excited to try my stuff. Okay, I know I filmed that on my phone, so hopefully that made sense. I know the angling was different than our nice wide angle here. But anyways, that's all I did. And then they sent me a skincare routine specifically for my skin needs right to my door. And you can become a subscription member to the Proven Skincare box, where they will make you a different box. I think every 3 months is how it is. And depending on your skin needs, if they're changing, you can always update that in their system. So they send you exactly what you need. So now that I got all of that info out of the way, let's dive right into trying all of these products. I am so excited. I literally got my box today. Oh God, it looks really cute. I have, I think, 4 products in here. So let's go. Okay, I just took everything out of my skincare box. I actually have 3 products curated for myself. So I have a personalized night cream, a personalized day moisturizer with SPF, and a personalized cleanser. So obviously you can include and incorporate any of your favorite skincare products in here, because as you can tell, there are a couple of products where if you are not new to skincare like me, I might want to include like a vitamin C serum or a toner, an eye cream, a lip balm, something like that. So this is a very customizable skincare regime for you to get whatever products you want, created by Proven Skincare. And then you can also tell them how much or how little you want, so you don't have to just stick with the Proven Skincare products. You can just use what you want and then incorporate your own favorite skincare products. So anyways, they sent me a little pamphlet. I'm pretty sure this has all the info about my skin that I shared with them and what type of ingredients that they included in my skincare products. Oh my gosh, it's like my own little customized story of my skin. It's like a book on my own skin. I love this. So I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible, but I do want to give you all of the information. So if you are really interested in trying Proven skincare stuff out, you know exactly what you're going to receive and how they actually do come up with your specific formulation for products. So every single thing in these products is specific to my skin's needs, like every ingredient. So I really like that. Nobody's skincare is ever going to be the same unless you have identical skin as me. But anyways, on this first little card I'm given, it is all about my own skin, because I obviously did this skincare test like 3 weeks ago. So I don't remember exactly what I clicked when I did my little skincare test. So here not only does it have my skin tone, my skin type, what my sensitivity is, it also has my location. I live in California, which is not new information, but the California weather is very different than other parts in the country, and weather and your location and your atmosphere play a huge part in your skincare. It is so dry most of the time in California. So obviously I'm always looking for products to kind of help with the hydration and stuff. Whereas, you know, if you live in Florida, you basically walk outside and you get like a steam facial. It's really humid there. So you might need products that take away some of the hydration. So all the way down to the location, the air quality, the water hardness in SoCal, the humidity, the UV index, like how close I am to the sun, it takes all of that into consideration at Proven, which I love. It's not just like, oh, I have combination skin, bam. It's like every detail. So let's go into the second pamphlet. It is gonna talk to me about each product I got. So as I mentioned, I have a cleanser, an SPF day cream, and a night cream. It is actually daytime where I am, so the only product I'm not going to use right now is the night cream, because it's not night. Like, I feel like I shouldn't have to say that. But anyways, we're going to use the cleanser and SPF day cream. So let's talk about the cleanser, because that's going to be what I use first. So my cleanser specifically is a cleanser and an exfoliator in one. Proven personalized cleanser was specifically made for you to deeply cleanse the skin of dirt, sebum, and excess oils while clarifying and brightening your complexion over time. Full of powerhouse acids and soothing plant extracts while free of parabens, phthalates, and SLS. And then it has a little area of directions on how to use it, and I just want to include this. It says first use a separate makeup remover to remove any makeup. So if I had makeup on, obviously I would cleanse it off first. Okay, so I just wanted to share some of the ingredient stuff, because on the other side of the card, it tells me what they chose specifically for my skin. Now half of this stuff I can't even pronounce, so bear with me. But there's salicylic acid, which we all know and love that. That's of course in here for anti-inflammatory purposes. I do remember taking my quiz. That was something I did want them to focus and target on. I don't break out too often, but sometimes that time of the month, I'll have like 1 or 2 days where it's like, oh my gosh. It has pre and probiotics. It has pomegranate extract. It has sodium PCA, which I don't know what that is, but it's probably good for me. It has willow bark extract. Where my willow bark pros at? Comment down below what that's supposed to do. It has another acid that I don't know how to pronounce. It has green tea extract, and then it has okay, I'm just gonna write it right here, and if someone feels like phonetically spelling that in the comments below, feel free to. I am not a science pro, which skincare is pretty much science in a glass, and so a lot of these things are very new to me, but I do know what does and what doesn't work for my skin. That's for sure. So anyways, that is what is in my cleanser. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna use it right now. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got out of the shower not too long ago, so my skin is clean, but it's ready. Oh God, my French bulldog is snoring up a storm over here, but my skin is super clean. It's a little bit dull right now though, because I have pretty much nothing on it. Like, I actually have nothing on it. So I'm ready to cleanse it and put some moisture back into the skin. So I'm gonna start with the cleanser. This is what it looks like. Their packaging is really pretty. Sorry, these lights kind of blow it out a little bit, especially with the silver reflection, but it's pretty. I really like the way this looks. The only other thing I wanted to include, because I actually just looked this up on my phone to make sure I had the right info to share with y'all, is that this supply is supposed to last me 8 weeks. So 2 months, and it's $119 for this bundle that I got. So for 3 really high quality products specifically curated for your needs, I think that's very fair. I'm ready to see how my skin feels after using this to give y'all the true feedback on, you know, how my skin feels and how I actually think the products work. But just wanted to give y'all that info. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of pumps on right now. I am gonna run to my bathroom to finish it because obviously I need water and I'm not in a bathroom right now. So let's just go ahead and try this product, see what we think. Perfect. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really nice, almost like lilac-y. It said I only needed 2 pumps, so that's what I did. I'm gonna go to my bathroom right now, let it suds up, do the whole thing, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I just finished rinsing it off. That felt wonderful. It did not suds up like I thought it was gonna be. It stayed jelly the whole time. And then also I have this right here. I think I had this in the past like 2 videos. But this little problem area right here, and then I also like right here just have very small open blemishes, and I could feel that salicylic acid going to work. It was doing its job. So felt great on the skin, has a very soothing scent. All in all, really happy. My skin does not feel super dry and stripped, which I love. I know a lot of cleansers kind of do that, unfortunately, where they will leave your skin like dying for a moisturizer, which by the way, there are plenty of cleansers out there nowadays that won't do that to your skin. So if you do have a cleanser that you use and you feel you are just dying for a moisturizer or hydration, throw that cleanser out because your skin should not feel that way afterwards at all. My skin feels great. Obviously, I'm excited to replenish and put the moisturizer and SPF on my skin, but if I were to just get up and leave right now and not finish, my skin would feel fine. So just wanted to throw that out there. Anyways, love this, very happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the day moisturizer and SPF. So I'm gonna just look for my little card right now. Oh, here it is. All right, so I'm looking at the back of the little pamphlet that explains to me what my SPF day cream has inside of it. So many powerful ingredients inside. I'm not gonna go into detail on what this is for my skin because obviously you probably have different skin than I do, so you don't need to know all of that, but this is exactly the same as the cleanser in terms of them giving you all the info, the directions, and why they chose this formulation for an SPF day moisturizer. Ooh, she looks thick. All right, I must say I am pleasantly surprised with how this actually went on. The second I squirted this onto my hands, I got a little concerned because it looked like a normal SPF that's like super thick and super white and like super saturated. And I thought it was not going to blend well into my skin or maybe leave a film, and it literally all absorbed instantly into my skin. Like it's like it disappeared, which that's what we want because as a daytime moisturizer, the chances of you using this underneath your makeup are pretty high, or at least for me. So I think this honestly like mattified my skin a little bit, which I really like. I told Proven in the quiz that my skin leaned more to oily. It's combination for sure, but it's on the oily side of combination. So I definitely wanted something that would fight back against oils and shine coming to the surface, and I feel like this actually mattified my face. It like soaked right into my skin, which I was not expecting as well, especially with how it looked when I pumped it out. So overall, my first impressions, I am very, very pleased with my Proven skincare products. Skin's feeling great, skin's looking great. I am gonna continue to use these for a very long time. I mean, basically until they run out. So if you have any questions on how I'm liking them, how they have continued to work on my skin, if I've seen any improvements or anything like that, just shoot me a comment below. I'd be more than happy to address that for you. And same if you have any questions about the nighttime cream, since I'm not actually gonna use that in today's video. Just shoot me a comment below and I will answer any of your questions on how I'm liking this stuff. But overall, I'm very happy. I just wanted to show y'all the nighttime cream really fast. It comes in one of these little tubes. I'm totally digging the silver, like futuristic look. Looks great. Great packaging. Very happy with that. And other than that, guys, that's it. This was a pretty short video. If you are interested in the brand Proven Skincare, I've been really, really pleased with my experience with them so far. They're so professional. If I had any questions, which I did at one point have one question, they got back to me right away. So their customer service is great. I like the products. It's just easy, efficient, like formulated for your specific skincare needs, and I am anxious to see my results. So thank you so much for watching. If you were interested in the Proven Skincare brand, I hope this video was helpful. I've also attached a link down below, so if you want to check out how to build a bundle, or just check out the website or anything. I'll attach it down below for easy access, so definitely go check them out. Other than that though, I hope you have a fantastic day. Definitely leave me a comment below for what you would like to see in my upcoming videos, but I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.